My name is Muhammad Abubakar. I am from class 9th and today my topic is about electronic configuration. Before learning electronic configuration, three most important things are that include atomic number. It is the number of electrons or number of protons in an atom, number of shells and number of subshells present in an atom. Number of shells are K, L, M and N. They are as divided. This is the nucleus of an atom. It contains proton, neutron and 4 shells K, L, M and N. This is K shell, then L shell, then M and N. K shell contains can accommodate total of 2 electrons. L shell can accommodate 8 electrons. M shell accommodates 18 while N shell accommodates 32 electrons. They are divided. Further subshells contains S, P, D and F. S stands for sharp, P stands for principal, while D stands for diffused, F stands for fundamental. They are subshells of an shell. So the number of shell in a K shell is only S. Then L shell contains S and P subshells. Then M shell contains total S, P and D subshells, while N shell contains S, P, D and F. The formula to find the number of electrons which can accommodate in a cell is 2n square. For example, the number of electrons in K shell, it will be equal to n is equal to the number of shell. Number of shell is 1, so 1 square. So 1 square is 1. 2 multiply 1 is equal to 2. So there are 2 electrons present in K shell. Now comes electronic configuration. It is the division of electrons in shells and subshells according to their energy level. The formula, the very easy formula to do electronic configuration. N stands for number of shells and L shell for number of subshells and X stands for number of electrons. For example, we have an example of chlorine ion. Chlorine's atomic number is 17, but it's an ion, so its number of electron will be 18. And using the formula, we will now do the electronic configuration of chlorine. This will be equal to L is the number of shell, the first shell 1 multiply the number of subshell. K shell contains only S shell, so number is 1 multiplied by the number of electrons, and 1 shell this will be equal to S. Number of electrons in this will be equal to 2. In S shell can accommodate 2 electrons, so that's why the number of electrons in this shell will be 2. So this will be equal to 1s2. Then we have now shell number 2. Then we have 2s2. Then it contains 2 subshells. Then 2p6. Then third number of shell. This will be equal to 3s2 and 3p6. This is the electronic configuration of chlorine.